Our topic today in social studies is lesson 4, looking at the sky. If we go out in the open and look above, what shall we see? We're going to see a big dome high above our heads. That's what we call the sky. So again, let's review the definition of the sky. It is a big dome high above your head. What color is it? It looks light blue in color. What can we see in the sky? We can see clouds. We can also see the rainbow after the rain. What do we see in the sky during the day? We see the sun. The sun is a bright and shining star. Actually, it is a big, bright and shining star, and it is the reason why all living things live on planet Earth. What shape is it? It is round in shape. And what do we get from the sun? We get light and heat from the sun. What do we see during the night? We see the moon. We see the moon almost every night. But unlike the sun, it doesn't appear the same every night. It appears differently every night. Sometimes it appears or looks round as an O. Sometimes it looks like the shape of a D, and sometimes like an arc. The most important thing we need to learn about the moon is that the moon has no light of its own. It means that even if it gives light, but it doesn't get its light by itself. It gets its light and heat from the sun. Now the stars. We see the stars also at night, and they are countless. What do we mean by countless? By countless we mean that we cannot count them. There are too many that we cannot count them. And they look like tiny lamps. They are also hot bodies like the sun. The sun is a hot body, and the stars are also hot bodies, and they are even bigger than the sun, but they look very small. Why? The reason of that is that they are very far away from us. A good example here is an example of an aeroplane. If we look above in the sky, we see the aeroplane very small because it is very far away from us. But actually, if we are having a flight and we are getting on the plane, when we go near the plane, we see the real size of the plane. It is very big, but when we look at the plane, when we are on land and we look at the plane in the sky, it looks small because it is very far away. The same goes here with the stars. The last thing we're going to learn, the planets. We cannot see the planets in the morning or at night because they are very far away. And one of these planets is Earth, the planet where we all live on. What we need to learn is reading the names of the planets only. Here's the solar system, the sun, and the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, with its beautiful colors, the blue and the green, the blue for the oceans and the green for the land, as we have learned previously that Earth consists of land and water. Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, and Neptune.